Today's topic is ninth class social our earth lesson 1 our earth. In this today we are going to discuss about our universe and the earth. Okay, our universe and the earth. Okay, so by the word our universe and the earth, by the word our universe you can understand that what are the things that are in universe. In previous classes you might have studied that there are sun, right, sun, moon, right, and earth. Okay, planets means all the planets in that our earth is the one of the planet. Okay, so in these three are okay means all the planets, stars, okay, moon and stars like sun, all these come together to form universe. Okay, we will call universe as a all this. Okay, all this belongs to one particular family. Okay, that is known as universe, right? So today we will discuss how this universe and the sun, how they were came into existence. Okay, and how this was discovered by our humans. Okay, who discovered this particular universe, sun and all these things which are in the universe. Okay, so see, if you see outside, okay, in night, you might have observed our universe, okay, that is sun, as well as the moon and all the stars, okay, group of stars, all this, right? So how this were defined, okay, for long back, many people believe that the earth is at stationary, okay, earth is stationary and all the stars, okay, as well as planets that are revolving around the earth. Okay, they believed, all the ancient people, okay, all the people, human beings believed that earth is a stable at one place and all the planets and the stars that will revolve around the sun. Okay, they believed that, and it is said to be, okay, this theory is said as geocentric theory. Geocentric theory. Okay, it is known as geocentric. Geo means earth. Okay, earth is at center of the universe. Okay, this is known as geocentric theory. Okay, it was first believed by all the human beings and it is proposed by whom? One of the scientists known as, you might have heard his name, Ptolemy. Okay, already in 8th class, in maths lesson you might have heard his name. Okay, so this is the first scientist who discovered about earth and our universe. He given geocentric theory. Okay, right? So now see, after some days, okay, after some long years, okay, after some years means nearly some years, after some years they discovered, okay, Copernicus. Copper, Copernicus discovered one of the theory that is known as heliocentric theory. Heliocentric theory. Okay. So heliocentric theory, or it is known as sun-centered theory. Okay, or sun-centered theory. Sun-centered centered theory. Okay, so why it is called as heliocentric or sun-centered theory, that we will discuss now. See, in previous what they say, oh, what is there in center of the universe? There is Earth, right? It was given as a geocentric. In heliocentric theory, Copernicus, okay, he discovered that sun will be at center. Okay, sun will be at center and all the planets, okay, all the planets will be revolving around the sun. Okay, so like this all the planets will be revolving around the sun and sun will be at stable. Okay, by and all the planets like Earth, Mars, all these planets will revolve around it, and Sun is the star. Okay, it is given by whom? It is this theory is proposed by Copernicus. Okay, Copernicus. Okay, these are the two theories which are mostly given by this scientist and known to the world. Okay, now this is followed by everyone. Copernicus theory, okay, that is heliocentric theory or sun centered theory, is uh, everyone follows this particular theory now. Okay, but if you see according to our Indian, okay, according to our Indian science, many of the people, Indian ancestors, okay, nearly 3,500 years back, okay, nearly 3,500 years back, our Indian ancestors were briefly explained about our universe, sun, earth, and everything in our books, okay, Indian books like Surya Siddhanta as well as Bhagavata Puranam. All these books, they explained about our universe, okay, in our Indian science, okay. And now you got what is and how this universe was discovered into the world, okay, how they discovered, our human beings discovered the universe and sun and earth, right? Now see, now we are sending, you might have seen in news or newspapers, now ships, rockets were sending to the uppermost of the air, sky, okay, into the space, that is into the space, okay, to know all the things that are available on the space, as well as that are the things available on other planets like Mars, Jupiter's, all that. So okay, they are identifying the life can be existed in other planet also, on another planet also, okay, means they are identifying, they are researching on the space as well as on other planets, okay. And now we are sending rockets, and as the for the improvement of communication as well as the improvement of science, okay, we are sending the rockets into the space to good tech, to get better knowledge and science, okay.